This is HappyMilaTV, and Mila today is playing with something. Maybe you have already guessed by the look of Mila what she's playing with. Look, here. It's Hello Kitty remote control car. It's Kitty's car, and you can control it with the remote. Yes, look. Here. That's how little kitties do. Wow. Engine. You see the sound of an engine? Can you hear it? Wow. Signal. Okay, Mila, do you want to open it? Let's open it. Let's open it. Wow! One. Well, let me help. Let's take everything out completely. Again. Wow! What amazing fuss, like always. Little kitty. Here is a remote control, Mila. Take this. It got stuck. Okay, finally. It has these plastic things, I don't know, and you have to take them out to get the car out, but it's really hard. Believe me. But just try and you will make it happen. Oh. Wow! Finally, we have our Kitty's car out. And the remote has already installed the batteries, but the car itself does not. Mila, let's put some batteries here. Okay. While Mila is dancing to the remote control sounds, I will be installing batteries. Okay, we need 3 AA batteries. Here we have. Okay. Do it yourself. Remote control. It looks like a cat's head. Mila, can I help you? Just push, you know. It's okay. You will learn. Finally, it's inside. Wow! It took us a while to get everything out from the package and assemble it. But finally, it's ready to roll. Mila, can I? It's not working. Why? Wow. Uh-oh.
Wow, no.
Get it from the floor, Mila. We had a little accident. Kitty is okay, she was wearing seatbelts and...
Mama.
And... Let's try again, Mila. Can I please? No? Oh, wow. Again. Mila, it has another button. Mila, push this button. Another. Push. Mila. No, I'm just trying to tell you that there is also a second button that you can push. So you have this side. No, this button here. Push this one. Yeah. Yes. Wow, look. Push it. Wow. You see, I told you. Wow. Wow. It does. This Kitty is actually a member of Fast and Furious team. Yes. She is a new member of Fast and Furious team. Uh-oh. No, she's okay. She was wearing seatbelt. Yeah, she just fell off the cliff. But she's fine. Boom boom. Boom boom. Aim. Wow. Boom.
Ищи, дай, бабочка.
Wow. So many accidents for the kitty, but she is brave and she is courageous. Oh. Wow.
Mush.
Wow.
Mush.
So this car, this Kitty's car, and Kitty herself can do tricks. She can drive very fast and do tricks with this car. Such a cool toy. Wow. Again. Woo. Well, this is our toy for today. Little Hello Kitty. Okay, let's get Kitty again on the table.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And get ready and start. Amazing Hello Kitty, amazing car. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Little Kitty. Wow. Maybe. Wow, it has so many cool sounds.
Мамочка, кто это? Нет. Стоп.
Oh, it has this. We have to detach this. And unlock. Lock, unlock. It's hard to get this car from the